Welcome dear followers to this video tutorial that will guide you on how to blink or turn on a LED for a specific number of times which you desire. So we are going to use the void setup function here and the for loop. The for loop is what will permit us in order to perform this. So we begin by first configuring the LED as an output at the pin which we have chosen at pin 7. So use the command pin mode bracket 7 output. After configuring these, we are going to put on and off the LED using digital right, and at pin 7 we turn it high, we end with a semicolon, we give a delay of like 1 second, then we turn off the LED using the command digital right. At pin 7 we turn it low to turn off the LED, then we give a delay of 1 second, which is 1000 milliseconds here. So the void setup function will perform this once if we run the code. But now let's consider that we want to blink or turn on this LED 10 times. Here I'm going to show you this function, how you can utilize the for loop. So use the command for in bracket the condition. So in this condition we are going to first of all start by declaring an integer. Let's consider that integer as a. So we declare the integer int, signifies integer a. Then we initialize this integer a starting from 0, because if we want to perform this like 10 times, we can say the first time is when a is 0, that's the first integer. Then the second time the LED comes on is when a is 1, up till when a is 9. So that's the initialized integer. Then we put the limit condition when a is less than 10. So it will perform from a being equals to 0 to a being equals to 9. And then we have the increment a plus plus. In the for loop starts by performing the operation for the first time when a is 0. That is the first iteration. Then it comes back and increments the value of a. The previous value of a was 0, so it increments it 0 plus 1, which gives 1. 1 is less than 10, true. So it performs this operation the second time. Then after performing the second time, it comes back and check a was 1. It increments that 1 again, 1 plus 1, which is 2. Is 2 less than 10? Yes. So it performs it the second time. After, it comes back again and increments 2. 2 plus 1, which is 3. 3 is less than 10? Yes. It performs it the third time. And so on and so forth. It keeps performing the number of iterations until it reaches at 9. 9 plus 1, which is 10. Is 10 less than 10? No. So it stops performing the operation. So it has performed the operation 10 times from 0 to 9. So this is how you can utilize the for loop. So let's compile and see. Compile, save. I choose not to save. You can save yours. It's done compiling. Then you can load the hex file. I've shown you how to load the hex file. You can look the previous tutorials, or you simply copy this. You see .hex here. You copy from C to .hex. using the command Control C on your keyboard. Then you double click on the microcontroller and you paste it here. Okay. Then we run the simulation. You see, it comes on one time, the second time, the third time, the fourth time, the fifth time, the sixth time, the seventh time, the eighth time, the ninth time, the 10th time, and it doesn't come on again. So we have seen how to configure this in order for the LED to blink the appropriate number of times which you desire. If you want to blink it for 100 times, you just simply need to go and change the integer value to perform it for that specific number of times, rather than writing a code of turning on and off the LED. Jitter writes on, you delay, you turn it off, you delay again, turn it on for 100 times. The code will be very long and cumbersome. So this is how you can do this. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to this channel in order to receive various notifications and updates. You can leave your feedback at the comment section and visit our website. You can download these files of this simulation at the website www.ektechnologies.com. You can find the link down in the comment section. Thank you.